Hi everyone, it's Coach Mariela. I just wanted to do a little STEM activity today with you guys since we are home now. But before we get started with STEM, I just wanted to say hi to all the children in Astoria Pre-K. I really miss you guys, and I hope that you guys are enjoying this time with your mommies and daddies. And let's get started with STEM class. So today we're going to do a STEM class, but it's going to be more art project because I don't have the correct materials to use at home. So we're going to be doing a arts and crafts STEM class. So it's going to be based on the water cycle. And before I start the craft, I wanted to put a song because in Astoria, most of my children are 4 and 5 years old, and I really want them to understand how it works. So I always put music on to teach them. So this is the song I'm going to put. If you have a computer at home, you can go on YouTube, type the water cycle, and the first song that comes up, that's the song that you would be putting on for the kids. If you want, you can stand up and dance and just sing the song along. So I hope you guys like it. And let's get started.
Takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. Evaporation comes when the heat from the sun warms up all the groundwater. Then it turns to water vapor. Condensation takes over. It goes up to the clouds. Water vapor cools down and it changes to a liquid now. Precipitation happens when the drops get big. It falls like rain, snow, sleet, and hail upon my head. I know it's the water cycle happening again. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle.
So let's get started with the art project. STEM art project. That's what I'm going to call it. So you're going to need blue construction paper, white construction paper, green construction paper, and yellow construction paper. And you're going to need scissors. You're going to need glue. You're going to probably need markers and crayons. So the first thing we're going to do is first get out your blue paper. I have this type of blue color that I'm going to be using. I'm going to use this paper for my back, for my base. Let's say it like that. And then I'm going to start by making my sun. So get yellow paper if you have. Doesn't have to be a big piece of paper. It can be half. Cut it. I'm going to cut it in half because this one is really big. And I'm going to draw a circle right here for my sun. So first, I'm going to get, unfortunately, I don't have any pencils. Don't judge me. I have colored pencils here. So I'm going to be using a colored pencil to make my sun. So first I'm going to make a circle. Make a circle. And then I'm going to cut my circle out. For the little ones, parents, you can help them cut out their sun. Some of them don't know yet how to cut. And for the kids that say that they know, then just let them do it by themselves. Because many times they'll say, I know how to cut. But always make sure you're watching them. So this is my sun. It's not that big. I made it really small. And you can use stick glue or you can use this type of glue. But I'm going to use the stick glue instead. And I'm going to put some glue. One thing that I always do when I'm doing an art project with the kids or any type of project and I have to use glue, I always sing a song to them so they don't use too much glue. So it goes like this. Spread, spread like butter on bread. And then they'll know when to stop putting too much glue on the paper. Because if not, they'll like put a lot of glue on the paper. So stick that on your paper. And let me show you guys where I put my sun. Put it up here. So cute. And now I'm going to cut out some grass. So for that, you're going to need green paper. I'm going to just get some green paper. A small piece of construction green paper. Right here. And I'm going to probably, can't really tell the difference, but this is the green that I have. I'm just going to fold it in half like this. Fold it in half. And then cut it. Again, parents, you can help your child to cut the paper out, or you can let them do it by themselves if they know they're old enough to do it. Some kids are and some are not. So it all depends on if they know how to cut. And I think that's good enough. I'm going to cut this part off because it doesn't look cute. So I'm going to cut this part off. Don't worry, you don't have to be perfect doing art. Art is just for you to be creative and fun. It's not for you to be perfect. So I'm gonna cut out, I'm just gonna cut it like this to make it more like 3D grass. I always tell the kids to please when they grab the scissors, first I teach them how to put their fingers in the holes. And then I always tell them to put their elbow close to their stomach like this. So when they cut, they're not doing this, but they're like this. So that's one tip that I always tell the kids to do. Because most of the time they'll go like this when they grab the scissors if they don't know. But some of them know already how to cut. But for those kids that don't know, it's good to like teach them and help them so they learn how to cut. Sorry. So how have you guys been spending your time at home? I've been basically cooking and doing homework online because I do go to school. Doing math homework, which is not my favorite, but I've been doing that. I've been organizing around where I live and just getting things done, you know? I am very sad that I don't get to see the kids because I don't know, they just make my day. Every time I come through the door, they hug me, and I miss that. Now I don't get to see them that much, so it's kind of sad. But I am thinking about them all the time, and I can't wait for us to go again and be in the classroom doing all these cool things, you know? So this is my grass. Basically, I'm going to put glue again. And again, you can say the song or the same. Spread like butter on bread. I've learned that phrase and I've never stopped using it. I love it. I always say that to the kids. Because they will literally like use all the glue if you don't tell them. Like use a little bit of glue. Sometimes they don't understand when you say use a little bit of glue. So you just have to, I don't know, make it funny and fun for them. And that's the way I do it. So I'll put this grass here on the bottom of my blue paper. Remember, it doesn't have to be the same shade of color I have. It can be a different blue, light blue, dark blue. Any blue that you have. And that's my grass. Ooh, that's cute. So now I'm going to make the clouds. I'm going to use white paper for the clouds. And I'm going to, first I'm going to do it with a marker. I think I'm going to use a blue marker. And I'm going to draw like the shape of a cloud. And then I'm going to cut it out. Again, parents, you can help your kids at home to cut. Or you can let them do it by themselves. It doesn't matter. They love to feel independent doing things. That's one thing I learned about the children. They love to do that. You can make 2 clouds. I'm just going to do one. Because then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do after that. So I'm going to cut out the cloud. Cut out the cloud. So, Today I didn't wake up feeling so well, but you know what? I was really excited to do this class. I was like, you know what? I'm just so happy that I get to do a class online because that means the kids are gonna see my face. I'm gonna be so happy. The kids in Astoria, they're gonna be so happy to see me, and I'm so happy that they're gonna see me. I do miss them so much. So cut your cloud out. Take your time. Don't rush. You're home. You can take your time. There's not time. There's not like nobody saying, guys, we only have 5 minutes to finish this project. So let's get to cutting. So then take your glue again. Spread like butter on bread. Remember to say that. And I'm gonna put this cloud on the corner of my blue paper. Then when I'm done doing that, I'm going to cut out water because we need water for the water cycle. So I'm going to use this blue so it doesn't look just like the blue I have here. Now the water, you can cut it however you want. I'm just gonna cut it like this. Go around. There you go. And I'm gonna cut it like this, and I'm gonna place this in the middle, like this. Like that. It's like a little puddle of water, a little thing of water. You don't have to make an ocean. You can make an ocean if you want. It's art. But, oh God, I'm going to do again the same thing I did. Spread like butter on bread. I like using more of the stick glue with the little ones. Or if I use like this glue, I'll put like a little bit in a cup and then take like popsicle sticks and have them like dip it in and then use it because it's easier than squeezing the glue out of this little thing. So I do that. So the next thing to do is to label everything. Now for this, I need the parents to do because the little ones probably don't know how to write yet. You can have them write their name. I'm gonna write my name. I'm gonna pick a nice pretty color that describes me, which is, I'm gonna use pink. A lot of the kids in the story, the girls, love this color. So I'm gonna use this color. And I'm gonna write so I wrote my name. So you can have the kids write their name on the paper. And then after that, I'm going to label everything. So I'm going to take white piece of paper. This is what I'm going to do, but you guys can write it with a black marker. You know what? I'm going to write it with a black marker. I think that's a better idea. So I'm going to take my black marker and write down, I'm going to label it. I'm going to make like little arrows on my picture. Let's see. So one arrow here. And I'll show you guys how I did the arrows. You can do this. The parents who have younger kids, you can help them with the writing. And the parents who have older kids, you can just help them with the spelling if they don't know how to spell a word. But I'm pretty sure they got it. They got this. Okay, so I'm gonna put on top condensation. On the bottom right here, I'm gonna put precipitation, and next to the sun I'm gonna put evaporation. So that's what I'm gonna do. So first I'm gonna put evaporation next to the sun. Evaporation. And then next to the cloud I'm gonna put condensation. And on the bottom next to the grass, I'm gonna put sorry guys, I'm like, my throat is dry. Precipitation. Okay. And then I'm gonna put, so it should look like this. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna put in the bottom the water cycle. The water cycle. Like this. Alright. Now. So that is it for the STEM class. I'm going to be doing better and more like experiments for STEM. But for today, this was what I had in mind because I need to get some supplies. So I hope you guys enjoyed this class, and I really miss Super Kickers, and I can't wait for everything to go back to normal so we can have fun again. Before I end this class, I want to give you guys some information about water. So water can appear naturally, right? It can appear naturally in the earth physically. It can be gas, which is water vapor, liquid, which is water, and then solid, which is ice or snow. So at home, you guys can probably do an activity that involves that, showing your kids what that means. And I'm going to end this video with my song. I really miss you guys, and I can't wait to see you again. And please be safe. Enjoy your time at home with your mommies and daddies. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Takes the water and moves it up